how to activate and manage your coDiagnostiX subscription in AXS. On the Straumann AXS platform, click Login. Enter your login and password. If you haven't registered yet, click on Register here and then click Login. Now you are on the Straumann AXS platform. Go to the Subscription Center. Select coDiagnostiX. Here you can choose the plan that suits you best. You can change the number of seats if needed. Then click Next. Enter your payment details and click Next. Click Confirm and then Buy Now. Now your coDiagnostiX subscription is active. If you haven't installed coDiagnostiX yet, you can download it here and follow the installation step. If you have already installed coDiagnostiX, copy your personal activation code and open coDiagnostiX. In the pop-up window, click the small arrow to open the License Manager. Then select Straumann AXS license and click Next. Enter the activation code you copied earlier. Click Apply. Your Straumann AXS license has been successfully activated.